Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're doing a word sort of mixed vowel word families at off it. And this is sort number 35 from the Cumberland County Schools word sorts. Our headers are a letter that we don't know with the ending at, a letter we don't know with the ending ot, and a letter we don't know with the ending it. And these are called word families because they all have the same ending. I want you to quickly sort your words. Pause the video here so we can continue. Now I have sorted mine already and I'm going to unveil them now. That means I'm going to take my sheet off. Oh, and I messed it up a little bit, but that's all right. I can fix that. So I'm going to straighten these out a little bit. And now we are going to record these the right way into our notebook. I'm going to start with the word family at. Now, before I get started, I know that I have three different headers. I know that I need to set up my notebook. So the first thing I write down is the date. Today is 9-5-20. I know that you have a different date, so look at somebody who knows and have them give you the date. I know I have to put these roughly into three different columns. So I'm going to make one column here, one column here, and column, remember from math, is when we go straight down. See how this is like straight down? Well, as straight as I can get. And my first category was there's a letter and it has the ending at. Oh, and I need to draw a line underneath my headers. I know my second category was there was a line and there was the ending, the word family ought. And my last one was there was a line and the ending or word family it. So all my words that are underneath these columns have to start with this ending. I'm going to leave a space in between, one line space in between all my words. And I'm going to write as neat as I can. And I'm going to start here and I go down. Then I'm going to start here and I go down. If I write too fast, you know that you can pause to catch up. So my first word is sat. And I check, yep, it's in the right category. Sat. Then my next word is fat. And remember, skip one line. And yes, it ends with an at, so it belongs in this word family. My next word is hat. It starts with an H and it ends with the at, so therefore it's in the right column. I have the word rat. It starts with the R and ends with the at. It's in the right column. Then I have the word cat. Oh, I bet that cat would like that rat. And it has an at, so it's in the right column. I have the word that, my digraph TH, and then I have the ending at, it's in the right column. Then I have a mat, it ends with at, it's in the right column. I have the word pat with the letter P, and it ends with an at, it's in the correct column. And I have the word bat, and it also ends with at. Now I'm going to scoop my notebook over so that I can write down my other words. Let me scoot it a little bit more so you can better see my words. Okay, so I have my word. My first word is got. So I'm going to write got. And it has the ought at the end, so it is in the ought column. I sorted it correctly. I have the word hot. And it ends in an ought, so it's in the right column. Then I have caught, also ends in an ought. Whoops, I wrote it in the wrong line. So I'm going to cross it out neatly and just rewrite it. Caught ends in the ought. My next word is pot, ends in the ought. Then I go to my next column, not, ends in the ought. Rot ends in a ot. Lot ends in a ot. And dot ends in a ot. My next column is sit, and it ends in a it, so it's in the right column. If you have a word in the wrong column that you're writing down, you can always fix it. Bit ends in a it, so it's in the right column. Kit ends in an it, so it's in the right column. Pit ends in a it. Lit ends in a it. Hit, oh, you can hardly see my H. Hit ends in an it. And fit ends in an it. Now that I wrote down all my words correctly, why don't you take a picture of it and send it to me on Class Dojo? Maybe also send me a picture of your sword. I hope it does not look messy like where I just wrote it. All right, see you tomorrow.